Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Infiniti QX80 versus Chevy Suburban. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which full-size SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from engine performance and interior luxury to cargo capacity and overall value. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to inform your next big vehicle purchase. When it comes to power, the Infiniti QX80 boasts a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The Chevy Suburban offers more engine choices, including a 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower and a larger 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower. Both vehicles are highly capable, with the QX80 towing up to 8,500 pounds and the Suburban close behind at 8,300 pounds when properly equipped. Inside, the Infiniti QX80 emphasizes luxury with premium materials, available massaging seats, and a refined ambience. It offers up to 101 cubic feet of maximum cargo space and seating for up to 8. The Chevy Suburban, however, prioritizes sheer volume, providing a best-in-class 144.7 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. It also offers flexible seating for up to 9 passengers, making it ideal for larger families or those needing extensive hauling capability. Considering value, the Infiniti QX80 starts at approximately $84,445, offering a more luxurious experience and a longer basic warranty of 4 years or 60,000 miles. The Chevy Suburban, with a starting price around $63,400, provides exceptional space and utility at a more accessible price point, backed by a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and a powerful V6 or expansive space and V8 engine options. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.